hanging out at one of my favorite spots for lunch. I usually like to go and do things at lunch, but man, I just have this like sinus thing going on, and just feel like I need to sleep or relax or something. So I figured this is a pretty good spot to get a little bit of rest before I go back to work. I usually don't like sitting around on my lunch break, or ever really, but I haven't been sick for a pretty long time. Got home a little early, and Jen and the kids, I think, are at the school meeting their teacher. So I took the opportunity to make myself a peanut butter, banana, honey sandwich. One of my favorites. It's good.
Really?
Oh, my corn's gone. That I put out.
Get your booty.
Oh my goodness. White's looking at himself. No, don't climb up there. What is it? You stinky. Yeah, you stink.
He's so smart.
Ah. You crazy. Vacuum on tables. Light. Light.
You feeling sleepy after school? What was your favorite part of school today?
About the gym.
The gym?
Yeah.
What'd you do in the gym?
Run.